Financial control template in Excel. Take financial control of your company with this simple spreadsheet. If you are new to creating a financial control and need a tool to get started, it is best to choose a simple and practical spreadsheet. The spreadsheet contains the following features. Records. The spreadsheet contains a section to record all items in sources of expenses, income, payment methods and types of transactions. These records will help you to simplify the records in the following sheets by means of drop-down lists. Income and expense records. In this section you will be able to record all your income and expenses. The form is enabled to record the dates of the movements, means of payment, prices and a comments section. Dashboard of performance indicators. See clearly the financial health of your company with the dashboards included in this simple spreadsheet. All in one place, for easy control of your finances. Here you will be able to view relevant information about your financial health such as total income and expenses, data by quarter, among other relevant data. Scorecard. This spreadsheet also includes a financial report that shows information about your monthly, annual, and quarterly expenses and income. Today, the financial dashboard is an indispensable tool for managers who must make data-driven decisions, since thanks to this scorecard it is possible to analyze a series of indicators with information on how the business has been performing so far and how it could be in the future. Template available from Solus Enterprises. Visit our site at n.solusenterprisesstore.com.